Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Yakwa Humano so na yani Orun Sami Jemfi were National Communications Officer Edima National Democratic Congress NDC Amonyokono opposition Amonyoko Kesia and war Ghana ha Lawyer Sami Jemfi memoachi eba ade ache bi adwumadi so
Inuaba mejoso
Okay, FM. 101.7.
Yedanse eno MPP Amonyoko no eye ensentrofo nhyiemu na wo mu kyerɛkyerɛmu na wo masɛm no wo bɔ no tofa Womuchem se Mahama is more corrupt than Nana Adudankwa Ekufuado. NDC Mati na muchiremu say.
Inuaba mama indika na wase. Okasa mu hwa mo kasa me de pa ya me tachiu. Na menchia watifu nyina so. No kwasem ne say MPP for agro wo mani so kakra. Because nse bo mo kekan die. I'm say concert bi no mu yi omu nim say yeni abere o kata say ne proyensem na aba na asofo ka bi ambassadors ne high commissioners e ka bi nsem trofo ka bi na na no matena konwa e ka bi MPP fo ankasa e ka bi na ye nyina ye ka bi no omu nim say ye ni bresem ye Ghana se uni bibi ka na waka wan watu ya papa John Bodo ye be sere de ni die kwa so Dear Cosono, your friend is indefensible. Communicated here will be defended one day, one fraud now, Cosono. And we do best communicators now come here. Nobody is ready to venture. And it don't work to Adana or church. Dear Noka, that John Mahama is more corrupt than the Kufuado. No more is a Twabam almost or Momekasa. Omufriza Mamu a mass. That John Mahama ya corrupt Chen Kufuado and John Mahama Efra Kujaso close to 3 years and the intimacy and the Sawabokrono. And John Mahama Efra Kujaso and close to 3 years. Yet me for a dance here Bako Kramaye, a dance here Bako Kramaye, said John Mahama Krono Boyini. Into almost of us one is saying. Now what's your Kujaso? Now it will be a comfort. Now a Bokrono baby. Now won't be for a dance here Bako Krama, Sawabokrono. Untimin say no good enough court to say we did not say Wabokrono. Now so fast you are useless. Because all you can do is to talk. Untimin Tiakronfo. That is what they are saying. No one say they don't have any evidence. And don't see anywhere said on Mama Wabokrono Baku. Was Fred Konyaso 2.5 years and he is still squeaky clean. Nihu fita. At Proya Baku Crew anywhere one abrabu. I'm a very good for the opposition on the MPP for Dr. Bawumiano. Almost a John Mahama for Adaya or the 10 million pounds Prince presidential diary. Meaning about Oman Kasa.
Mitiopa.
Oman Kasa.
Sami Mitiopa.
Omakai. Almost a John Mahama for a married deal for the $160 million. Almost a John Mahama for Kaswa Interchange or the Sika up for the bonus. Kumase Airport Expansion Project, Rate Hospital Project, in our Bobu Krono, ye buy a better, ye buy a become Mimia, Besine, Oba for Frak, one wife and one up and a bar sounds why you be a mass sounds what would be. Almost say a sound seminar, our Mokai, you could do Radan seminar, a dance here back to Benya, at the age of Mahama. The man is clearly not corrupt. I am telling you, that another Stroke Kunyaswa. Every 3 years, you better know. Because already, or you're so corrupt, say, was signed executive approval for the miscellaneous deal agreement. Are your friend miscellaneous? Who didn't say Ameri? No, Moka say the Yatos, or mobile, when young one dance here. Company got the way you be a more monochrome, or the young one dance here from Mary, the Kabobi Yususa, or Mampenisi baby, the best system. Na me de view now for my company for fire friend miscellaneous. Or you want to say so no sure pentem into no one paying fire from cabinet ministers no. Onyam brem o mon hwehwe agreement no. Instead of cabinet approval no, or no how manpenyi or the to me as o manpenyi executive approval ama yefan kom na sebedum na yenko yani. Ekoye ne ekohwehwe mu a sa na o manpenyi akufuado e di $800 million at agreement no so. We are no big CEO Adanse da ho ESEP abeka Institute of Energy Security abeka adanse da ho. Omanpenyi ye say na o say ma withdraw. Adan na wa withdraw so I was misled. Why na mislead you be see na yenim yɛnti obi ankogyina yi ɔno one misleading or nobody misleading because he is corrupt and that is why he can give executive approval for a dealer yɛde $800 million na ato so sɛ ɛnyɛ NDC domkume wɔ mmarahyɛ bedwa mu ɔmo fie ɔmo ani a kakoro no ɔmampanyɛ Kufuor de bɔɔyɛ ɛma Ghana elusu sika kakrakaka no ɛno no wobɛtena akonnwa so also be protected public purse and they adane one day one fraud wobayɛ na boss see here Ghana japadeɛ 5 million liters of fuel Muamu Crawford said that say no according to boss report under you what said that na mo kofa bibi fry na mo fair no mo ton sa ajapadeɛ no so no mo dia cotton ama companies are no mo ni wiase moving pina energy ye register wo mo ni license mo ni card ID aso mo ti yes edumani besi net boss nhwehwe mu kyerɛ sɛ adeɛ na mo bɔ ne don mi ma ɔmo no so a ɛho kapre ɛmɛka o minensa besi na moving pina ntua saa oil ne ka na na do ahu report ni bi na wa ya fa ho asɛm ne ba yɛ nhwehwe mu kura no clearing agent ɛnɛ waje magdan de duma yɛ the Magdan of corruption in the world. Clearing agent. Also, Alfred Obi is innocent. Onye bonidi. Ene na from Abama Kokoto Ada we say Uchanko Jumpu. Boss to say the deal was criminal. Sika yewia emeka yensa. Minia NY. Wo dey answer na meka no ono ane na minia ba kenu furiata. Auditor General say ko check Auditor General's report for 2018 Ministry of Finance for section. Ni ma minia ba kenu furiata family bi erusika 55 billion OCD. What that is $1 million. Ama America adwuma yeku aye from Kroll Associates. Omo nya adwuma bi ama Ghana. Ye di sika na cha ye di acha omo. Mo nyina mo godi. Auditor General onye state institution. NPP for say na omo the state institution e corruption. There na Nana wire about this Auditor General report against Finance Minister ono ane ma me nua ba kadu kuriata ne da no. Nancy Israel. Another state institution ye hwehwemu about Ken Bond. Bosnia bond 2.25 billion. Ni ma mi nua be Ken Oforiate ekoje ya bra wan fan kwamra sebedwo. No tietia Ghana Bank of Ghana. Nse say yeso. Charge for the report. Na ba. Almost a conflict of interest ye odibe. But one follow mra na was oko parliament with tietia so na japade ye kra no. Ghana mra seno and the Asset Declaration Act. Say oma ye hu be na japade wo no obokro no aye hu no. Onyama Ghana hu le japade dodo wo won declare ni asset eba ye bi na o ma penye Kufuor do aya fa ho o say masa me fa nya adwuma na fa nya adwuma tena rather no wa ma Attorney General o my Ghana Attorney General la Ghana for the tua ne ka akoko as private lawyers for Ken Oforiata and o mo ne strat manso fighting a state institution or fighting corruption and you are coming to tell us when you clearing agent. Clearing agents mu toto rupa ene o man penye Kufuor do
nasami
nansi PTA I also mo na boa yen ma yetu kata se the proya se in public procurement na nado ode ne ko ho ne papa ABG say ya se no Chili Gadochi on tape Manasa Azuri document o ye emu say onu ankasa akofo company CBL company no ne yere ene na kontadia ena wa award contract poly 14 amane ho under restricted tender wa ma obi am pribi abra agreements also qualify under section 38 of the public procurement law to be awarded under restricted tender with yet Ghana braso o award man who for no koye adwuma na nua ba kenya ya o award contract bebrebe ne man who wie no say yes ye boni dia money don committee say dia top pan no e wo peace family mo and your free we are master pakakra na beje contract and auto contract 80% ya seno on tape ye na na do ya fa ho mere suspension and there yes you are suspending ya da so tua ne ka o onya adwuma so ye ma na ketua o ti aban VAT ni ye ne to fuel ma no ne light bill Ghana for ne ye tua obi a wabo ye kro no say na do so onka ye so we clearing agent I want to ask you onko kan tro konkon ye Yesu Kristo ankasa kan ye o say wona ba and ye de hu dua kro yesi mu anya menye hwe ne de kasa hu eya menye hwe ne de kasa ko bi anansa wam o man penye Kufuor we se wo kwatia kata se ne proye e na wonya clearing agent ka obi anim enya Ghana ba so die si na nka wo kwakotwa ye adapa asopa yen akeka nsem ko obi anim usudi uban kire se wo ye clearing agent NYA National Youth Authority yɛafa wo mpanyinfoɔ monkɔ na monkɔyɛ adwuma pa na mommoa ma adwuma mu na Ghana mɛmmoa ne mmabaawa nyɛ bi nyɛ na yɛmfa nte unemployment rate so a na Nado mpanyinfoɔ yi kɔɔeɛ a ɔmafa ɔman Ghana sika titidie 45 billion ɔma follow procurement law ɔmo de contract akɔma company a yɛfrɛ no People's Limited so ɔmo nkyerɛ MPP mmeranteɛ bi kwan a sɛ street light kanea na ɛwɔ mu no hyia yɛfa so sesa bulb ɛno nko a na obi awoka 90 million sika dada no 90 million me nuabaa 90 million ɛne yɛde sesa bulb ɛwɔ street light mu na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ agreement no kɔ anda so ɔsia adɛn na wankɔ PPE ankɔgye approve a adanseɛ da ho asɛm wɔ anya afei ne yɛba abɛhwehwɛm ɛnso ɛnɛ police nti obiara nya court obiara ni wa ɔmo agye ɔman Ghana sika no yɛnka sɛ obiara fa sika mmra no reference to the state coffers ɛnso kɔmi kurom wɔ amanafoɔ kɔhwɛ obiara wia buru ama yɛde no akɔto prison 5 years nipa ɛbɔ korɔ no akɛseɛ sei na Nado wayi w'ani ato nkyɛn te sɛ deɛ wonteeɛ Australian visa fraud scandal mata training guase a aban wɔ adi agu yɛn ɛnɛ woyɛ nsɛmtwerɛni a kɔ Australian High Commission sɛ wopɛ visa na hwɛ atɛsi a yɛde wobɛfa mu all because of this scandal sɛ yɛkɔbɔ bɔɔlo yɛmfa nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ nkɔ na ɔmo nkɔhwɛ bɔɔlo no bi na ɔmo ma Ghanafoɔ nte yɛkɔ so wɔ Australia ɛnyɛ wɔn kora na ɛnyɛ bɔɔlo yɛkɔsi akan Australian Commonwealth Games yɛ papa Payo Sajide wɔsaa mmerɛ ɔna na yɛ soafoɔ abɛdi akyiri a ɔda adeɛ na wofa foɔ kɔ a na ɔmo ankasa akɔfa Ghana de hyɛ bi wɔ ne kurom wɔ manafoɔ brekum Teximan ɔmo obi adɔ ama ne nsɛm asi kyekye waboaboa ne sika no 200 million otie kura sɛ yɛsɛ yɛbɛyɛ connection ama ɔmo anya visa yɛagye gye ɔmo sika ayɛ visa ama ɔmo de ɔmo adu Australia yɛde Peace FM Joy FM Neat FM OK FM atoto ɔmo kɔm te sɛ deɛ ɔmo yɛ nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ saa ɔmo nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ visa connection ɔmo kɔduru aburokyire nipa 60 yɛakye ɔmo aba ɔmo return deɛ ɔmo aba bɛsi nna hɔ ane ate no hɔ ane yɛde nafa mmara kwan so hɔ ane ate na so na Nado so ɔhwehwɛ mu asɔspɛnde Payo Sajide adeɛ bɛkye ama na akɔyɛ tɔ ɛwɔ voter region pɛ oni sɛ Payo Sajide free voter region na MPP for ɛwɔ voter region kɔ bu bɛfu ne ti wɔsɛ Marine Statue Deputy Minister for Information na mo ba bɛka kyerɛ sɛ wɔyɛ clear no report yɛ clear no report ne wɔ hia so a ɔmo sɛ yɛmfa ma mo report no yɛnko an deɛ ni deɛ wu yɛmfa ma mo ɛma mo nhu deɛ nti a yɛ clear Payo Sajide wo sɛ wonyɛ clearing agent na woyɛ deɛn hello
Sami mitio pa
Ghana Export Promotion Authority mi nuaba hwɛ yɛ maa ne gift clear na ɔbaa ne ho fɛfɛɛfɛ ɔne na bɛdi akyire ɛre 2 yɛde mo akɔtena hɔ monkɔpɛ investment mmra Ghana Export Promotion Authority na yɛntumi export yɛ nyama monkɔyɛ adwuma pama yɛ mokɔɔyɛ a ɔnkyɛ ne United according to Auditor General not Sami Demfi Auditor General which is a state institution ɔsi mpanyinfoɔ yi ɛde ɔmo sa bɔ Ghana sika mu ɔmo sɛ ntaare a yɛbɛhyɛ ɔpepepepe bebree ɔmo afa clothing allowances beebi a yɛbɛda ɔpepepepe bebree ɔmo afa ɔman Ghana sika per diem ɔpepepepe bebree ɔmo afa Auditor General sɛ yɛtiatia mmara ɛyɛ korɔ no eti sika no mo nsa nso nfa mbɛto aban kokuru mi nuaba besi nnɛ ɔmampanyɛ kufu adonka ho asɛm kobo 1 peso akora yɛ refund it to the state corporate wonyɛ clearing agent a ka wobɛyɛ sa wonyɛ clearing agent na woyɛ deɛn mi nuaba nansi yɛhwɛ corruption scandals ɛba every day oh and when we talk like this ɛnyɛ sɛ ebia yɛyɛ NDC 20 na yɛyɛ kasa sɛbi Kennedy Japan a ɔbɛka kyerɛ yɛn ɔmampanyɛ Kufuado office yɛgye gate fee wɔ hɔ wopɛ sɛ ohu ɔmampanyɛ a wotua bribe $20,000 na ɔnyɛ NDC ni ɔnyɛ na Nado opponent MPP mpanyinfoɔ te sɛ Ata Kennedy nom ɛne Dr. Nyawotama Kuromu a ɔmo sɛ Ghana bakɔ sɛm gu na Nado na yɛ corrupt paa Dr. Reku Gobe nom ɔmo tan na Nado a na obi antan no masa ɛne ambassadors kura kasa sɛ yɛ practice Ghana beyond corruption and not Ghana beyond it.
Yeah, Sami ma we there.
You trust in mani Ghana mo. Omo de ken kan na NDC for kwa ye no mo boye chi. And omo say chrono na do so too much. Vitus Azim mo kasa. CDD for say in 2.5 years and Nado betina konya so. Me nua ba from 2017 year you. Ghana sika nko a ye lose to corruption 9.6 billion. Ekwan ye betimi aye, suku e betimi asi, hospital e betimi aye, empa e betimi akọ ku kolebu na apemfo e na akọ kolebu o mo de that form because of no pay. E betimi solve problem with 9.6 billion another the high investing in corruption. Yes, we said the FESHS crash, you can't say no, they are more 3.6 billion.
Yes,
now we invested 3.6 billion into FESHS. Now we invested 9.6 billion into corruption. Oh, yeah, was it what you promised us? And then another say, Unkita Hanko. And you're not a convict amount for. Your Muhammad, Bana, or not the Hanko, maybe unnecessary. Yes, amount for corruption.
Some member Mukakre.
Yeah,
some men say ye were human institution and ye woman, and na abai bia yeti allegation of corruption. So yeti allegation of corruption na the amount for pay a leadership and amount to a leader na ebetunia wuse ampa nipa na wo pepa secretary shana se pro ene wo pese wo ko obi beka se ye ni military jungle and yeti allegation bia na asomu ane ye ko ji se ye investigate ye hwehwem ye de ma appropriate quarters na omo ye hwehwemu na nipa we so afom se won fom ye na ye hu se aban bi tu sana mo no a enye no na ye anade mo pene senka mampanyi ti ye no ano ono agina ne tumi so na bia we di ana wakase we di bem ana se we di for sana mo pene ana
me kan sem tia nesa a very good question. What's the state institutions and I was almost at any point. But I guess
sanity.
Now, SRAT, say a state institution. But I guess
no correct.
And you're going to more about Ken Bond, 2.25 billion. Bosnia, Kenufuriata Koje. Ediomo report by page 139. Was the Kenufuriata breached section 56 of the Public Financial Management Act and Article 181 Clause 5 of the 1992 Constitution. One common big was also Ghana Bank of Ghana issuance guidelines. So, page 139 of the report. Then an another he rather an attorney general fighter right. Go to court now. Ghana attorney general may defend the Kenuvuriata. Uncle only buying institutions right. Any issue, Sra they say, why you be born a access in whom declare. Then another I have. So it cannot be chosen another the state institutions and their corruption. Rather than another is fighting state institutions. Auditor General, the part of or not for your state institution in your bar.
And no correct.
And you know that they report Abba. Say Crown Associates, Nanado the 55 billion, $1 billion amount. Abraham Yajumebia. Peace FM online, you did the story. You can Google it. And now the General and say Ghana Export Promotion Authority in 24 Giti Clenam, Yemia Bema every two. Or my for my Ghana Ticadi Aquato Tontaria, and the Aqua on Hinai, if Yagana Mrasso, into your Monsan Fatican and Radicine, Yansan Kataku, then on Penya found. State institution back up pair, or more MPP from there. They should show me one state institution or they fight corruption. State institution, what will you more about corruption? Another see with you, name clear. The Bayer Juma back up one or much about. Now, say, Martin, I did what's in the baby or Mokoda and said, or more the bomb once for him, said, Mutia fight, corruption, you fight it, and then you know what done special lamenting, special letter writer. Now, see, only Ghana no better letter. Or Mampenia Kukwado, in penny for by Wemua, or Madame, a consider Amanwa, only million of Jumadia. Him. Letter one kindly. Martinami do not send the latest letter. I will say, Nanado appointee F5 or more man who crime manning in the Juma. Announce I read me our announce I investigation that I'm safe for. Or Mampeni Nakraba, our name is Juma on the office. Charles Bisu, Yakin room, so or dear them with you. Sinner, Papa, that's all Flagstaff House or year Juma as presidential staff. Yaneka Yanchena so. Ana say me na be ko ye mi hwehwe mu mi ame pe obi di akodan no wan fa ko CID or the akoma special tena bi hwehwe ma tena bi do ye hwehwe mu no na CID for so ye hwehwe mu meanwhile obi an fa asem bi ameto wani yes what na CID for the report aba ya clear no meanwhile obi ani wo ba wani mbebo obi ko adu obi an fa di bi amre o
Okay, FM.
ama tena bi do be twa hu agado So state institution bɛn na Nanado use to fight corruption. Ɔmo ma bɔ akudi. O de ɔmo nkyerɛ yɛ. Na state institution we Nanado ɛma ɔmo kɔ yɛ nhwehwɛmu we. Ɔmo yɛ nhwehwɛmu ni we no. Ɔde ɔmo findings ayɛ adwuma.
Sɛ mampanyin sisa.
Yɛ wo huri anim kɔsoro.
Sami sɛ.
Na ntie boss. Nanado one kasa waban what committee. So ɔmo yɛ nhwehwɛmu about 5 million liters of contaminated fuel ya. Yɛ tɔn ma mo bimpi na lose for you. Hey, ɔmampanyin a obi live institutions no ɔbɛtwɛn. Nhwehwɛmu ni kɔ na wie ya na finance ne ba na de ɔwɔ kan waka we de na Nanado clearing agent wanya ne saa o nhwehwɛmu no yɛnya fiti aseɛ mpo no ɔse afred ɔbɛnya ahute he is innocent meet the press series meboa monkasa meboa na Nanado anclear afred ɛnɛ boss report ne sɛ na Nanado clear na ɔclear no woboa transaction no na yɛ criminal ɛho sika yɛn nsa nkan yɛ enti mo nkyerɛ ne institution baako pɛ on institution and Nanado or they fight corruption. Even on one case, the committee on you see on report. Even SRAG, Auditor General, CID, Special Prosecutor, everybody is fighting. So, what state institution are they talking about?
President is say.
Secondly,
President is say.
Sami. And look, the police is sent as say soldier sent as say. And who's the friend of Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces? Nanado, the Wadanene, Commander-in-Chief of Corruption. I saw the general, so be the Bonia. Or no, bet in Yasen or the Nako court, so could not send. Nanado, or Manpenny, what to me say, or Fanaguma, or no so to me say, at the extent and Nimunian of the cra, obeying the D, obeying his question. He has a prerogative to hire and fire. And the CID boss. Iyoko, all the state institutions that want to fight corruption, Nanado, you be ready. If they are not doing their work well, and there is sufficient cause for that. Attorney General Mpodi, you bet you media or mobile.
Okay.
Nancy, I have one. Galamse Queen, would you bonny the guy singing? And then Nanado catching an attorney general as a court, Seminole Crano, yen yet tribute. Mameno, on funny huni, no prosecute. Ne, one near from Delta Force, Kumase, Omo, putting some money court, a quarter, guy. Yes, when I almost send only prosecute. And see, what ye, about more by the bonnet, they are with the dial. No, be Bokrono, not Sena. Matter, why they want to me say, and then a sigri, I know your NYA was. What flag and 45 billion. At the award of contract, what is your PPA act? So, Miniaba, Minu, you will to me see a bit in Yana. You will to me say a bit in the court. Say a china so, Nayan Ho, Amafro. What you need to me, you have 2 million in Amanado. It is another say only 2 million the fight corruption. Yeah, then he must resign because only the Juma. It means that Juma not to me yet.
And Sammy said, "One can is out, Sammy."
Okodi and Komokeke, now, all cats are down for say, maybe $1 million for my brother Mua. On Casa Sicano Kobe, what mean $1 million for my brother Mua. Politics you could be giant. On Fagan is Siconia. MPP one can say Pamona. Now, Sammy, no, the old state institutions.
Sammy,
I don't know, Mamma can say, and on state institutions, you call your investigation, son. And then our family Hama. You see, these people, MPP people, almost cannot correct. And because they have certain people behind them, and you know, all the time, you dig down, we are boy from no far, we have a kind of state institutions here. Me say, one state institution buying and another buy. Or why you be about corruption and another man. One, Yaku, Yasu Ghana, I will be telling you.
Sammy, Mammy fancy, Sammy be fancy.
Maybe I make a chat to what I say. Central for you need a muscle. More and I'm okay, a woman, I'm okay, Ghana, what's it? And I must say, some of my acquaintance say, yeah, but the year and yan decent to what. And not an MPP for many now or more conscious, you are beginning to speak. I know that most of you are not happy with what is going on. It is not about your very 2021, it's about Yesikana Eseno. So, young MPP NDC 720, John Wadu, only a some on Canada to Nana Community. Mate, Medasa defend what is going on. The NDC media Bokrono Amonteno. Mate, yeah, the MPP for ya and nay or mobile crony. Yancy or Mofo Muko Drakotam Ranio Muni. We are the scout, the amount for Butu. Yanny, thousand family minor. Yo, yen carbonate. That is all we are saying. Mate, Medase, Miss Medasipi. Onro Samijan Fee, a National Communications Officer, Edema NDC, Amanya Kuono.
Okay FM 101.7.